everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Moose Tips and Tricks. I'm Josie, Media Specialist.
And I'm Cindy, Senior Media Specialist at Moose Roofing, a roofing company based out in Omaha, Nebraska.
Winter is winding down and spring is just right around the corner.
That's right. With the snow melting and warm weather on its way, now is the perfect time to check up on your roof.
In today's episode, we will share with you a checklist to help keep your roof in top shape and ready for spring.
A good place to start is with your gutters. After winter, they can be filled with leaves or small branches. Clearing them out ensures proper drainage and protects against water damage.
Exactly. Plus, clogged gutters can lead to leaks in your attics or even damage on your foundation. Next, let's talk about damaged shingles or missing shingles.
Take a quick look from the ground or safely from a ladder. High winds or ice from winter storms can crack or loosen shingles on your roof.
If you see a missing or curled shingles, it's time to call a professional, preferably Moose Roofing, if you're in the Omaha area, to come take a closer look.
Now let's discuss checking for leaks or water stains. Head into your attic and keep an eye out for damp spots, discoloration, or a musty smell. These can be early signs of a roof leak.
If anything looks suspicious, address it sooner rather than later. It's always easier to fix a small leak rather than a major one. Next, inspecting your flashing and sealant.
Check the flashing around chimneys, skylights, and vents. Winter's freeze-thaw cycle can cause cracking. When in doubt, reapply sealant or consult a roofing professional for any significant repairs. Guess how many takes it'll take us to get through one pair. Clearing them out ensure proper Yep. Let's take a look from the ground. Oh, that's not what. Okay, take a look from. Let's discuss checking for leaks or for leaks. Read, jeez.
Signs of rot or warping. I need to read that one. Also, I said fascia weird, so I feel like I need to slow it down. I feel like we sound like we're like. Note of any signs of rot or warping.
Yeah, you're right.
Is that right? Warping?
Or warping.
Warping. If you are in the Omaha area, be sure to call Moose Roofing.
That reps up. That reps.
And we'll see you in the next time.
Bye.
Next time?
See you next time.
In
the next time.
In
the next time.
See you in the next life. Okay. Moving on, inspect your fascia and soffits. Take note of any signs of rot or warping on the fascia boards or soffits. These areas can be vulnerable to water damage.
If you see peeling paint or soft spots, handle repairs promptly to prevent further damage. Checking attic ventilation.
Proper ventilation helps regulate temperature and reduce moisture buildup. Make sure your vents aren't clogged with any insulation or debris.
Good ventilation can extend the life of your roof by preventing mold and excess heat buildup, so this is a step you don't want to miss.
Trim overhanging branches. Branches that rub against the roof or dangle overhead can cause damage, especially in heavy winds. Trim them back for safety.
Lastly, consider a professional inspection. If you're not sure about the condition of your roof or you spot something concerning, call a professional to come check out your roof, preferably Moose Roofing.
Yep. They can give you a full report of all the details of your roof, suggesting the best course of action to keep your roof in top shape. If you're in the Omaha area, be sure to call Moose Roofing and get your free inspection.
That wraps up our essential roof checklist for transitioning from winter to spring. Thank you for joining us on Moose Tips and Tricks.
And remember, a little maintenance now can save you from major headaches later on. Stay safe and we'll see you next time. Bye.